How to create login credentials for supervisor. The primary responsibility of block officer is to create login credentials for supervisor. However, the system administrator can also do it in case such need arises. Let us discuss the process of creating the login credentials of supervisor by block officer. Look at the Agriculture Census portal. We will find the options Dashboard, Data Capture, Report, and Useful Documents. Click on the Data Capture option. The login page appears. From the drop-down list, click on the allotted state. Click on Login button at the bottom of the window. A new window appears. Click on Setup menu on the left of the navigation bar. Before we create the login credentials, remember to set up the area unit of the specific tehsil by clicking on the Setting Area Unit option. We can see the Set Area Unit and LGD Village for Tehsil window. A pop-up window appears displaying a message. Please select the area unit of the selected tehsil carefully. It can't be changed after starting data capture process. Go to the census code field and drop-down list, select the appropriate census code district name. Then move to the LGD code field and map the corresponding LGD district name. Again, go to the census code field for tehsil and from drop-down list, select the appropriate tehsil name. Then move to the LGD code field and map the corresponding tehsil name. Move to the Proceed button at the top right corner of the window. A new window appears having 5 columns. Let us see an example. In the list of census village names, we find the village name Parakonda Padu does not match with the corresponding name of LGD village Parakonda Padua Graharam. You have to map the LGD village with the corresponding census village by comparing the exact names of villages given in the columns. Once it is located, we click on Drag button of that specific row. This LGD village name gets highlighted. We move to the specific row where Parakonda Padu is displayed with census village name list. Now, click on the drop button. We will see that both the names match in the corresponding columns. Once matched, automatically a tick appears in the checkbox of the matched column. Go to the last column and click on the checkbox to confirm the matched status. In the Area Unit Phase 1 field, we select the appropriate unit for the specific tehsil. Remember to select the area unit of the selected tehsil carefully. It can't be changed after starting the data capture process. Click on the Save button. It will display a record saved successfully. Click on OK. Now click on the Home button on the rightmost corner of the window. Go to Setup. Click on User Creation. You will find the User Creation form. In the User ID field, you can insert a minimum of 4 and a maximum of 10 alphanumeric characters. This ID has to be unique for a specific supervisor. Do not use single quotes, double quotes or space in the User ID field. Move to the Name field using tab or through mouse click. You can use a maximum of 35 characters in the Name field. In the Password field, you can insert a minimum of 4 and a maximum of 10 alphanumeric characters. Do not use single quotes, double quotes and space. In the Mobile Number field, you have to type 10-digit number. Please do not type country code or STD code. Email ID field is an optional field. In the User Type field, click on the Supervisor option. You will find in the Jurisdiction area, there are 2 fields, District and Tehsil. From drop-down list, select the appropriate district and tehsil. You will find a list displaying names of villages located in the tehsil. Click on the checkbox to select one or more villages which will be monitored by the supervisor. Click on Save button located at the bottom of the window. To check the correctness of data, click on Search button on the top right of the window. Searching of user for phase 1 window will appear. Select the appropriate district from the drop-down list. Select the corresponding tehsil from drop-down list. Go to the user type field and select supervisor. Click on the proceed button on the rightmost corner of the window. We can see the name of supervisor with certain details. In order to edit any data, click on the checkbox on the left to return to the user creation window.